สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone. Today let's make stir-fry sweet snap peas with pork belly. Full recipe will be listed in the description box below. Marinate our pork belly with pepper, sugar, and fish sauce. Leave this for about 10 to 20 minutes. These are the sugar snap peas that we get from the market. We are now going to remove the stringy seams that's on the front and the back. Clean snap peas that are ready for stir fry. Since we are using pork belly and it's very fatty, we need to constantly stir this so that the oil doesn't splash everywhere. When your pork belly is fully cooked, it's time for seasoning. So we put in soy sauce and give this a good mix. Followed by our oyster sauce and lastly sugar. When it is well combined, we add in our diced onion. When your onion has softened up, you can then add in your snap peas and turn up the heat. We add in big chili that have been sliced diagonally to add that nice pop of color. You can leave this out if you want to. To check whether your peas have cooked, you can use your spatula and tap it like this. If there's no more sound, it means that they're done. This is what it looks like and it's ready to be served. Let's plate this now. You can enjoy this with a nice plate of hot jasmine white rice. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye.